Welcome to another session of using EC Brand File Manager software. In this session, we're looking at downloading files. So in a previous session, we found and selected files and we added them to our cart. We can click on the Cart tab. We can see that these files are still in the cart, and they'll stay there forever until we decide to do something with them. So in this case, we want to download files. So once we're happy, we can always go and remove some of these logos, these files. So let's remove the black and white ones because we don't actually want those. And we can see now that we have the files that we want. There's another black and white one there. And we're going to check out to download. So to do that, just click the checkout button. And then we ask you to provide a reason. Now this reason or purpose is for the brand, and it goes into their audit trail. So each time you download, you must do this, and it has to be something reasonable. In this instance, we're going to say we're using these files for a video demo. But normally you'd be saying something like it's required for a print ad that you're working with a particular person in the organisation, etc. Just give as much information as you can, really. And then once you've done that, you can check out. And what the system does then is presents you with a list of the files. It automatically adds the brand guidelines if they've been set up. And so we can go ahead and download each of these one at a time by clicking the links. Or if we'd rather have it all together in a nice zip package, we can do that by simply hitting the All Files link. And we just get a dialog which just tells us or asks us to confirm that you're okay with the zip file. And what happens with zipping is that we will zip the file up on the system and send you an email with that link to download. So let's just go OK. And then what's going to happen in the background, the system will zip those files up and send an email. So I'll just pause here and we'll show you the email. Okay, so we can see here now that we've received an email, and the email says your zip file is ready to download. It's coming from the Brand File Manager system, brandfm.com, and it's being addressed to me, the user, Joe User, and I have a link. So if I click the link, what we'll then see in our Downloads folder is this BrandFM zip file, which is the zip file that was, when we click the link, it downloaded for us into our downloads folder if that was set up. If we double click on that zip file, we can see that the company's or the brand's name is included in the folder name, and inside that folder is the guidelines and a number of artwork files and the files that we're looking for. Okay, so we're back to our web page. We've downloaded the files and we've confirmed that they're downloaded. So that's it, that's done. If we now go back to the cart, we can see that the cart is empty because we've downloaded those files. And we also have a history, or a bit of a record in our previous downloads link under cart, and so that was the previous download that we made. And that's it for this session. That's downloading.